Hi there, my name is Sultana Alam. I'm a fourth year student at SGU. Recently I took my Step 2 CS exam and I found out that I passed, and that was all thanks to the Target USMLE Step 2 CS review course. I had signed up for a rapid review course because by the time I signed up for a date for CS, it was very soon after, and I realized that while I was rotating through the hospital on my different rotations that I wouldn't have enough time to prepare on my own, and also that the feedback that I was getting from practicing just with my colleagues wasn't really the critiquing that I needed in order to improve my patient encounter experience. One thing that I really liked about Target USMLE was that the feedback that we were receiving was very individualized. And so I knew exactly what I needed to target to improve my CS score, and luckily I passed with flying colors. And again, that's all thanks to Dr. June's course. The way that she has prepared this course is that it allows for you to basically be on autopilot throughout the 15-minute patient encounter, and also to have a set template in your mind to ensure that you check off all those marks whenever you're writing your patient note. The way that she breaks down the course is very, very excellent, and I highly recommend this course to all of my colleagues. I know that the fail rate is increasing for IMGs in particular, but also for AMGs as well, especially for Step 2 CS, and because it's just a pass-fail kind of course, in order to avoid any detriment later on or any mishaps when applying for the match, I felt that it was really important to take the board exam very seriously and not just read the first aid Step 2 CS book. And I felt that by being able to practice with professionals and get professional feedback from people who have been doing this for years and people who know exactly what is expected of those who take the exam, I was really able to get the appropriate feedback that I needed in order to pass and in order to do very well. And I've been able to take some of the pointers and a lot of the advice that was given to me to do a very effective patient encounter whenever I'm seeing patients in the hospital, and it's definitely a course that will help me in all of my years to come whenever I'm seeing patients. So again, I highly recommend the Target USMLE Step 2 CS course, and all the information is on the website, and if not, you can always give them a call. Thank you so much.